If you or your partner suffer from snoring, it's essential to consider obstructive sleep apnea as a potential cause. This condition occurs when a person stops breathing during sleep, leading to daytime drowsiness, high blood pressure, cardiac arrhythmias, and exacerbation of atherosclerosis, among other health issues. However, an interesting study published in the esteemed journal Chest offers a glimmer of hope. The research compared a control group with another group that performed tongue and palate exercises for 8 minutes, 3 times a day. The results demonstrated a remarkable 36% reduction in snoring frequency and nearly 60% decrease in snoring intensity after 3 months of consistent exercise. Before we delve into the exercises, remember to subscribe to our channel for more health tips, activate the notification bell, and share this valuable knowledge with your friends and family. So, let's dive in. The power of 6 exercises to tackle snoring. Tongue slide. Push the tip of your tongue against the roof of your mouth and slide it backward, repeating this motion 20 times. Tongue suction. Perform 20 tongue suctions against the roof of your mouth, creating a seal with your tongue each time. Lower tongue push. Push the back of your tongue downwards while keeping the tip of your tongue touching the inside of your lower incisors. Repeat this 20 times. Elevate the soft palate and uvula. Practice speaking intermittently, raising your soft palate and uvula each time. Repeat this exercise 20 times. Cheek push. Wash your hands and use your index finger to push your cheek away from your teeth. At the same time, apply resistance by pushing your cheek against your finger. Repeat this exercise 10 times on each side. Alternate chewing. While eating, make a conscious effort to alternate the sides on which you chew and swallow your food, avoiding repetitive motions around your mouth. By incorporating these exercises into your daily routine, you can effectively combat snoring and improve your overall sleep quality. Additionally, adopting a few lifestyle changes can make a significant difference. Refrain from consuming alcohol before bedtime, engage in regular physical activities, and work towards achieving a healthy weight. It's crucial to note that if you experience chronic and severe snoring or have episodes of breathing pauses during sleep, it's essential to consult a sleep specialist. They can evaluate whether you are suffering from sleep apnea and assess your real risk, recommending appropriate treatments, including surgical options if necessary. Say goodbye to sleepless nights and embrace the power of these simple yet effective exercises to reclaim a peaceful night's sleep. Remember, a well-rested you leads to a healthier and happier life. Did you like the video? Please share, like and subscribe our channel to new contents. See you in the next time.